Okay guys, I'm going to give you a update on my Lofty portfolio. If you're not familiar with Lofty, Lofty gives you the ability to invest in real estate, but I do want to alarm you, it's different from the rest because this is on the blockchain. So if you're not really familiar with the blockchain or cryptocurrency, and you own shares in the form of a token. If you want to see a more in-depth detailed video, just check the suggested videos where I goes fully in depth of exactly how this platform works. But for this particular video, I'm going to give you a update on my portfolio. So first up, we're going to go to account, and this is what you would end up seeing. Right now I have two properties, one in Ohio. This one, show you, scroll down. This is the property that I have in Ohio. Right there, the occupancy status is vacant right now, and it says the project manager is completing term repairs as well. So let me go back. Let's go back again, and the other property is, I believe, in Michigan as well. Scroll down here, and 1 year lease. Okay, and it shows, location, neighborhood ratings, and stuff like that. So that can, kind of give you guys a way you can maybe assess the projects. Now, I actually got both of these in March. If you can go, when we go to our transactions, it'll show that I purchased one in, I believe, March. I'll let it March 6th, and the other one in, I believe, February. So we're probably looking about maybe 8, 9 months, not quite there, maybe like 8, 9 months that I had it so far. But let's go back to, let me see, let's click on the balance history. It shows when all the, as far as rent payments, they break it up in daily, shows all of that. But let's go back to assets overall. So as you can see, for rent, I got my rent on the two properties. The rent is $2.38. I'll remind you, these were each of them initially was $50. So the total amount earned was $2.38, and I had two properties, and the estimated property value went down 2.47%. So as you can see, I haven't had it for that long of a time. I think I got the $25 from signing up under someone else's referral. So what I'll probably do is I'll maybe put $3 or $4 to get another particular properties. Now that's the thing is about this one. It's currently vacant. So of course that one, you're not earning money when it's vacant. So that's, some of the things that comes along with the territory. And as well as this one, let's see what has right here. So this one seems to be good to go. I haven't really kind of been keeping up with this one, but this is my experience so far. So I haven't had it long enough, but as far as, being problems with the platform, I haven't had any problems with the platform. That's, the wallet. Of course, you have the Lofty wallet where all the crypto would be transferred to, and of course you can buy it by attaching your regular bank as well, which to me is a lot more convenient. So now what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to purchase another property because I have $25 for its gift balance, so that's just sitting there. And then I have, I believe, $2.38 from there to give me 27. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to buy another property. Let me scroll down. I'm just gonna probably pick one pretty quickly, so I'm not gonna do like a full assessment. Just gonna scroll down and see, this one's 35. Let's see. Since this one's 35, let's see. Scroll down. Da, 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 da. Okay, duplex. Let's see what here. Vacant. Tenant owes a oh, that's dead. It says one is vacant, and then the other one, the tenant owes a balance of $5,125. That's dead, and it's like the 1 year lease. Absolutely not. That's super dead. So let me scroll down. Oh, okay, guys. I also wanted to make a mention. This one was, it's like a little commercial here where they have it where you can 4 unit buildings, McDonald's, Domino's, U.S. Cellular, and a real estate office. This is something that I've first seen. This is a little different. Projected annual returns and projected rental yields is a little bit low, but that's most of the time these are much long term, so these are more reliable. But of course, that's why you see a lower one. But so look at this luxury thing. That's a little different. 18. We'll actually see how that end up going. This is a little luxury place. I might end up, getting that, as well as I did want to mention I was going to get, and let me see when I click buy. Let me see. Yeah. So I was going to get a much, like cheaper one. As far as the token amount, it says start at $35. But here's the problem with these. When you go to um, view book order, it says the last trade was $35, the estimated value. But the problem is when they go to buy, um, the limit price order is 47. So it can kind of range, give you a big range as far as the limit from the starting price. So make sure you guys keep an eye on that. So that's the maximum you would actually end up paying for the particular property. So a lot of the ones where I've seen, they were like this one is a little cheaper. It said starting at 34. When you go to buy, it's this one is now saying 48. So it can be a large spread between that. So just keep that in particular mind when you're like the same thing as this one. It says starting at 31, but when you look at the limit price per token, this is $51.66. So keep that in mind of that spread. So that's why I probably just going to go with one where tokens starting at $50, starting price $50. And then when I go to buy and limit price order token $50. So what I'll end up doing is customize, um, just so I use the customize that, and for one, and then what I'll do is I'll add my gift card of $25, apply that, and preview the order. So after the gift card, which $25 applied, now my total is $27.72. So hit preview, make sure everything right. Okay, and boom, success. Please read. This order will activate after blah blah blah. Okay, so return. Oh, so which can take up to 5 business days. So let's return there, and so it can take up to 5 business days. So yeah, so it can take up to 5 business days. Let's see if it in your transactions if it shows as pending yet. Okay, so yeah, so there it is. Will be right there, and see order details. Okay, and market feature. Okay, so this was the one Blue Luxury Hotel. Develop Unit 216. The less on Lofties now has the opportunity to purchase ownership in the Unit 216 in a Blue Luxury Hotel. Bouquet Development. So this is the one that I end up just recently getting. Located in Mexico, and I'll give you guys an update on how that goes. But that's has been, let me actually go back to, but that's pretty much an update. I did go over something unexpected, the range where when you're looking at the starting price to the limit order price, it's a big range. I didn't necessarily like that so much, but that concludes this video. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the like button. If you're new, make sure you subscribe to my channel.